Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you how to crop video in CapCut. Alright, after you import your video to CapCut and then you want to crop it, you have to click on the video and then there will be a lot of options for you right here. You just have to scroll your screen like this and try to find edit. Alright, edit option, it's right here, and tap edit option and choose crop. Alright, and then you can crop the video freely like this by tap and hold the screen. Alright, and you can also use the ratio that has been available on CapCut. And after you crop your video, you just have to click this check mark. And alright, okay guys, that's how we can crop our video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.